YouTube channel is just another episode of Welcome to My Life. It all goes wrong no matter what I do. Is that good enough? That actually upsets me. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm just really hoping that alopecia's on trend because, honey, I don't think I'm gonna have any lashes left in a minute. I think that might actually be a really big difference if it works. I'm in shock. Alright, we've got Nurse Hello Kitty to the rescue. She'll save the day. There's blood on the box now. Well, that was a good intro. Hi, everyone. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing something new which I've never done before, and I wasn't that scared to do it, but now I am because I feel like this is a bit of an omen. If you don't know who I am, my name's Niesey. I'm going to be perming my eyelashes. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is gifted, so if it goes wrong, I do blame them. This is the Diablo Lash Lift Eyelash Perm Kit, and it comes with apparently everything you need to perm your lashes. Have I said that enough times? Perm your eyelashes. Right, if you don't know what a lash lift is, it's basically the same as curling your eyelashes, but it's semi-permanent. According to the internet, it lasts until your next like eyelash cycle where your eyelashes fall out and like renew. You know, so about 1 to 2 months I think. It's a good alternative to eyelash extensions and just wearing normal fake eyelashes because obviously it is semi-permanent. So let me bring you in a little closer here. So these are my lashes with absolutely no product on, nothing. They're not curled, they're literally just the way I was born, baby girl. If they do turn out amazing though, I'm gonna be so happy. So please cross your fingers for me. I'm covered in blood again. Niesey! Hi! Why is my life so dramatic? Any other girl could just do this casually and everything for me is just chaos. Chaos. Anyway, moving on. I've never even had my lashes lifted by a professional, so I am going in a little bit blind, just with the guidance of the instructions on the back of this kit. First step is to clean your eyelashes with the cleanser. This is to remove any dirt and residue from them, and you have to make sure they're completely dry. I believe this is so when you actually put the perming solution on, it actually goes on your eyelashes and there isn't a barrier of dirt and stuff. That's my big guess. That dropped it. Just gonna dip my cotton pad in there and so these are the lift pads. So I believe you just need this to fit to your eye. What? Oh my god, listen to the sizes. They've got natural, soft, standard, tight and dramatic. Oh my god, and also they look like clouds. Look at that, little clouds. Do you see? Clouds. Easily pleased. I'm gonna go for M1, which is apparently the standard size. I think that should fit. I think I'm just gonna put the glue on and go from there. Also random, but I just put on some brown lipstick. Can you tell me whether this suits me or not, please? Because I actually have no idea. Like, 1 minute I think it looks cute, and the next minute I'm like, Niece, why have you put that on your face? So, opinions please, thanks. Focus please. I swear to god I've got ADHD, that's a different topic. This is the adhesive, very posh name for glue. Apply a good amount. Now how much is a good amount? I don't know. This has a hair stuck to it, so maybe I'll glue a hair to my lid. That'll be cool. If I lean out of frame, it's because I'm just trying to protect my eyesight, but we'll okay, can't even speak. Help me. Oh my god, I look insane. Okay. Okay, what's the next step? Oh, you've got to use more glue. Apply a glue, okay, to the lash side of the pad, wait 30 seconds, and then use the lash comb to lift your eyelashes up. What do you mean more glue? What are the youth doing these days? Yeah, there's definitely no way I could have done 2 eyes at once. Like, you know, look at me. This says lash comb. It says use the smooth side to stick your lashes to the pad and use the comb side to separate them. What's the... Is this like setting the scene for the actual perming solution to go? Dude. Oh, okay, when I look to the side, I don't know if you can see, they're not all stuck on, but they are getting there. Do you want a closer view? There we go. Okay, all I had to do was apply a bit more glue. It's that simple, niece. That looks good to me. If they stay up like that, I think I'll be pretty thrilled. Oh god, because it's covered in glue, do you know what this reminds me of? Like, brushing your Barbie doll's hair and it's all like knotted and obviously synthetic. Like I'm just like ripping through it going, oh, it looks beautiful. I love it like that. Right, next step, honey. Using a cotton bud. It's time. Apply line of the perm lotion. Cotton bud. I'm so excited. This smells like eggs. Actual eggy eggs. This is getting real now. This is where I actually become afraid. Okay, so I'm being really, really careful here to make sure I don't get it on the tips of my lashes. Apparently I'm not being careful enough because I've just done it on one of them. We'll see what happens to that. Oh my god. I'm also being really careful to not like, you know, do that cute thing where you get it in your eye and go blind. Okay. Now it says something really problematic. It says to cover it in cling film, and guess what? I don't have any cling film. What am I supposed to do? Okay, you know what I have got? I've got tin foil. I don't know whether that's recommended, but at this point, I don't care. It should be okay, because I'm pretty sure the cling film's just to like keep the heat in. And I mean, this will keep the heat in, won't it? It's tin foil, it's what I use on my hair. Could you imagine if this all goes wrong and I have no eyelashes? It's itching. Ah, my eyes open, you know. I'm sure you know that, but this is it, isn't it? So yeah, I'm gonna go lie down. Okay, it has been the allocated time and I am terrified. It's set. Oh my god, are you joking? No, it's not over. Okay, I need to remove the perm lotion. I don't really know how this is removing it, but okay. Then I need to do the same thing but with the fix solution. Really nervous actually. How this is gonna turn out. Like, it was funny, but now it's not. I'm even joking. Oh my god, I've just spilt perm lotion all over my fingers as well. Imagine I get a curly fingernail. I tried to roll my eyes, I can't. So the fix solution, it's very pretty. It's light blue, like my top. It's the same colour as Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls. Cool. Which Powerpuff Girl would you be, by the way? Because I just really think, and I always have thought, that I am Blossom. But the older I get, the more I worry that I'm like a Buttercup Bubbles hybrid. I think Blossom's more of just like an aspiration for me. Why is this eye itching? You haven't been through anything, hun. You don't even know what it's like to struggle. Ugh, privilege. It says to leave it now for 8 minutes, which makes me laugh because that's a very specific amount of time. Okay, it's time to take it off. So now I've got to use the cleanser to wash everything off my eyes and remove any residue, and then I can take the pads off gently. Very gently. This is basically the moment of truth, is it not? I can see already that some of my lashes are just not permed. They're like sticking straight out, like here. They're only like teeny tiny lashes. I've realised I've got loads of different lengths of lashes, which I didn't realise. Just putting the cleanser on my actual eyelid to like slide this off because I don't really want to pull it off. Please don't pull my eyelashes out. Please don't pull my eyelashes out. This eyelash goes all the way up to my eyebrow. I've still got loads of residue on here, so I'm going to take the cleanser on an actual cotton pad instead of a cotton bud. I feel like a lot of what's actually on my lashes is just glue. It's not the perming thing or anything else. That's cotton wool. Brilliant, yeah. Guys, I'm worried. I'm worried that I'm feeling a little bit sexy with these. I'm feeling like very like, ooh, yes, like flirty eyeballs. Let me just do the very last step, which is to get the Nourish lotion. This is basically just an oil, so this should get off the remaining remnants of the glue, I think. Okay, so as like a comparison side-by-side thing, this is a side that I haven't done, and this is a side that I have. Obviously I've got literally no makeup on at all. You can't wear makeup for, I think, 24 hours after you do this. But I feel like when I put mascara on, my eye is actually going to look like I've got fake eyelashes on, which is kind of cool. And yeah, obviously they're still wet at the moment. It's worked and I'm really happy. I'm going to go and do the other eye and then I'll be with you. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours and there's something that I've learned. They're great, I love them, but you really got to clean the glue off your eyelid. Basically, I've left it on and now my eyelashes keep like sticking to my eyelid, which is obviously not ideal. It's not what you want, it's not what you're here for. I'm gonna try this again. Oh my god, there's a bubble. Cool. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but I feel like I'm gonna do a full review. Because the eyelashes look good, but this is like the reality of it. If that makes sense. Egg with ponytail takes glue off face. So, it has been about a day and a half since I last spoke to you. This meant I could use water on my face, so I literally washed all the glue off my eyes finally, and the final results, I actually really like them because I think they're really natural looking, but they also add an extra like level to your eyelashes, if that makes sense. I am definitely going to be doing this again. I say a final thank you to Diablo for gifting me this product. Obviously all my opinions were my own, it wasn't actually sponsored. I just wanted to do it, so that's what I did with them. I've also found out that if you want to laminate your eyebrows, it's basically the same process, so I'm thinking of putting this stuff on my eyebrows and seeing what happens. If you want that video, let me know, because I want to do it. I want to do it, but only if you guys want to see it, because I feel like I could end up with no eyebrows, which I think is actually worse than no eyelashes somehow. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.